Hi, good afternoon, friends. Now I'm at this hotel. Actually, today is a Friday, so I'm actually winding down already, and it's been long never come here. So today I would like to share with you. This is our Luxe Radiance Serum. Yeah, it's all natural, no added fragrance. As you can see, it's green in color, and of course, the name itself implies from sea because we have this sea silk, yeah, marine. It's actually very good for detoxification, pore cleansing. Yeah, for those of you, yeah, as like me, I also do makeup. So thoroughly cleanse. A thorough cleanse is very important, or else you will get pore blockages, and that's when the issues will come out, such as the acne, yeah, and all these pores stucks and all the build-up is there, the debris and all this oiliness, yeah. So this one Luxe serum, yeah, it also contains 4%, yeah, 4 times higher than normal Alpha Arbutin. So what's the function of Alpha Arbutin? As you can see, all of us, yeah, we are exposed to sun, yeah, in Malaysia, yeah, because Malaysia weather very hot. And this is super good for those of you who want to reduce pigmentation, freckles, dark spots. So if you compare for those who actually, yeah, cleanse and also carry out skincare routine, their skin is even more radiant, soft, supple, brighten. Yeah, and you can see this one have 4 times higher. So it saves you a lot of time. Yeah, because aging process, it takes every day and rapidly for us to get this aging process due to environmental pollution, and the most important and damaging to our skin is the sun. So this one also contains the niacinamide, yeah, and also green tea, yeah, actually help to stimulate our collagen as well, and all of this, and then come with the aloe vera to actually make your skin soft and supple. You know, everything is possible. Yeah, reverse aging is totally doable. You want to back to useful skin? Of course, yeah, you can. So this one actually we use it day and night. 2 to 3 drop will do on your clean face, and especially customer also do ask me, is it better for use during the day or at night? But if preferably, it will be at night. But if you can, yeah, apply it on day and night as well. So to actually speed up, yeah, damaging skin over the years. We are all aging now already. Yeah, aging. Yeah. So we need to actually take more, yeah, precaution steps to actually make the reversal, yeah, speed up the reverse aging. So and then also we have this, yeah, as you can see, we have the Cantilla Asiatica, yeah, and then calming effect as well. And very good is we come with the licorice, soothing and also calming. Yeah, no added fragrance, even suitable for very sensitive skin. Yeah, and this one no added fragrance as well. This one can use for about 3 to 4 months. Yeah, and then you'll see your face will have this instant glow, radiant as well, and firming. You'll try it today because now as you know now it's a Christmas. Everyone has this shopping spirit, yeah. So go to our website at DH Titanium Beauty for amazing discount, Christmas and year-end special discount. See ya, friends.